Hey, what's up guys, Streckhawk here, and today we have another video. Today we are going to review the most underrated G-Shock ever, the G-Shock GD400-9. So, let's get into it. So, I got this watch about a year ago for about $90 on Black Friday. Now you might say, whoa, Streckhawk, $90, how is this supposed to be underrated? Hear me out. This has an amazing build quality, has an amazing design, and I will show you why this is the most underrated G-Shock and why you should buy it. So, let's get into it. So, the version of the GD400-9 that I have here is the military green or olive green. Some people also call it like a foliage green. Yeah, it's as you can see, it is shock resistant. I really like the build quality on this one. I think it has the metal on the back. I'm not sure, I have to check on that, but it has a really nice build quality. It has a little plastic on the sides, but bear with me, it looks great and it feels great. On the side, we have this pattern, which I really like. It's really sturdy. I have it for a year now, and it has worked like a charm. On top over here, we have the bull bars. This is for extra protection, or if you want, you can take it off, but I'll explain how to do that in a future video. So this G-Shock is 200 meters water resistant, so you can really go and take a swim with it and it'll be fine. This is also, it also has like any other G-Shock, the LED illuminator. It also has alarms, countdowns, signals, and the normal Casio features that come standard in this watch. Another reason why I like this watch is because of the multiple time zones that you can have. Casio calls this multi-time, which you can have different time zones or different cities. Right here you can have up to 4, but I have 3. I have NYC, London, LAX, which is Los Angeles, and we're back to NYC. As you can see over here, we have the day of the week, months, and days. Over here we have the signals. It's basically for the alarms. On this watch you can have up to 5 alarms. Over here it's kind of like the seconds countdown. I really like this. It looks nice. So putting the watch on is pretty simple. Like any other G-Shock, this is very bulky. It has that really good military feel to it, and I really like it. It kind of if you have a small wrist like mine, it will look kind of a little too big for you, but it looks really nice when the light hits on it, and I really like this. I think this is good for people who go to the military or go rock climbing a lot, but the G-Shock is really for anyone, mostly for skateboarders, but you know, nowadays everyone can wear G-Shocks. So on hand it feels really nice, but you know, after having it for a year, the bull bars aren't that comfortable, so I might take it off, as I said, but it has a really nice feel to it. It's nice and heavy. It's not the lightest watch you can get, but you know, it's really worth the price. When you go outside, you won't see anyone wearing a G-Shock like this. They'd likely have the other models, and every time I go to the store, you know, you can never find this watch. So for that reason, I also really like it, and I feel like it's the most underrated G-Shock in my perspective. So guys, thank you for watching this video of the G-Shock GD400-9. This is my favorite G-Shock and the most underrated G-Shock you can get. I really love this watch. It's nice, it's comfortable, it gets the job done, it has the multi-time feature. There's nothing really you can complain about. If you have small wrists, it would be better if you can avoid it, because I don't think you can get it in another size. but this is really nice, bulky, it stands out, and I really like it. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I appreciate a like or a comment on what I can do next, and I'll see you next time, where maybe I'll remove the bull bars. Thanks, guys. Oh, and I forgot, Streckhawk out.